What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joannis or Joe Hatagwa. I'm a Sierra Leonean American living here in Accra, Ghana. And if you want to know what a $1,000 a month luxury studio looks like here in Ghana, then this is the video for you. Cool, so I'm going to a place called Sun City. They are a luxury high-rise slash hotel long-term living stay. They have a pool upstairs, they have a bar downstairs and a bar upstairs. They have a nice little like lounge area on a helicopter pad. I mean, they got a really cool setup. So we're gonna take you on a tour of the studio apartment they have there. So check it out. Guys, we have Kujo here. He's the head of the housekeeping department. Kujo, can you go through and do the apartment overview once again for me?
Yeah, in the Sun City apartment, we have in the kitchen side, we have a refrigerator, and then we have the plates, and the colorings also indicate here, which are the two. There's a, for the couple.
Yep.
There's a colorings are in a couple made. So, and then there's a saucepans. In case you wanted to do your own cooking, you can use a saucepan here. A teacup, two each. Drinking glass and a wine glass, two. And here is a laundry machine, in case you wanted to do your own laundry. And you have a stove, if you decide to do cooking or any other thing that you wanted to heat.
Right.
There's a stove here.
There's a microwave as well.
Microwave as well. And then there's a extractor, in case the heat is too much, you can extract the heat out of the building.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then the fridge opens.
Yeah, the cleaning service is being done thrice in a week. There's a Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And the laundry service relating to the bedsheet and the towel. That's once a week, which is Monday. Monday
Okay.
we'll do a changeover and then wash the bedsheet and the towel for you.
Excellent.
But if you intended that it should be done twice a week for you for the laundry, you can ask the management to extend it for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then you were showing this document here. So,
and these are the items in the inventory list, which contain the items in the room. Yeah. These are items in the room. More or less, these are in case of a damage. These are the cost you're going to pay for the item that is being damaged. And then ironing and then ironing table are here, and that is a laundry line. This is a drying line behind the sofa.
okay.
Yeah. And here's the washroom. Yeah.
For the guests, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it uses motion light?
Yes, please. There's
Okay.
a motion light.
Nice.
Then you go into the bedroom. The bed is made of two bed sheets and then one bedspread.
Right.
Yeah, with the 4 pillows.
And table.
And table with the air conditioning.
Air conditioning.
And then the wardrobe in there
With hangers.
with hangers.
Yes.
And then well as your safe, so where you can save your stuff in. and then have your own code.
Nice.
You need a bathroom, floor mats, and a two bath towel. Two bath towel for your use.
And then of course,
is a wash and basin with a drawer under it. So in case you wanted to store some things in, you can do so. And this one as well, the mirror has a drawer which you can store anything that you want to do. And then the shaving mirror. Okay, that's how it look like.
Excellent.
Then you have a bed, TV.
Of course. All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Kujo.
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you. Alright guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, comment, and share it with your friends. Alright, see you on the next video. Hey guys, once again, thank you for watching this video on YouTube. If you're anything like me and you're in the United States and you're looking for authentic African products made by Africans, then I got the website for you. I created this website, Authentic African, specifically for people like you and I who are looking for products made by Africans on the continent of Africa, but it's really hard to find in the US. As you all know, I'm in Africa at the moment, and so that allows me to find these authentic African products in person. But for those of you who are living in the United States for now, in the US only, and you're looking for products made in Africa, then this is the site for you. Head on over to AuthenticAfrican.com. The link is on the page right here, and it's also below in the description. All right, see you there.